Omowasiri Julius Ogamba oigoire omutanda o KUCCPS ase abaorokigwa bari bakoreta amatemwa omwaka oeta barachikorora chikosi barangerigwe nabo igo chiuniversity baguche goswa gochakera omotienyu kianda.
This year, the placement body, that is the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, KUCCPS, adopted a phased placement process. The first phase targeted students seeking placement opportunities at the Kenya Medical Training College, national polytechnics, and other public technical and vocational training institutions. This was to enable the institutions to admit students for the March and May intakes. The successful applicants were admitted and are currently progressing with their studies.
Gukwana nigo atebire KUCCPS ase ntunde ntang'ani nigo yarweta amabaga gocha ase abaorokigwa bari basoeta ase chikollege chiskuru chiobobundi nabo igo chikosi chiabateresa abo bagenderete n'amasomo ase aenekiri buna ase ntunde ya kabere na ase abaorokigwa abo banyorete grade gie C+ gochi igoro abo bagochigoswa ase chiuniversity ao imeyense.
Opened applications for placement to universities and teacher training colleges for the September intake. I'm happy to report that this process has been concluded seamlessly and without any technical hitches. The seamless process is attributable to investments in technological upgrades that have been ensured a smooth process. In January this year, I released the 2024 KCSE examination results for a total of 965,501 candidates, out of whom 950,711 were Kenyan citizens. 244,563 of the students attained a mean grade of C+ and above and qualified therefore for admission to degree programs, while 148,000 qualified for placement to TVET and tertiary programs at various levels.
Chingaki checho Ogamba ni gatebire eserikali enene gwetera oborai bw'omurai bwense William Ruto nigo yamentere chi college ne chi university imeyense rikororo bya omoroberi bw'echisemi imeyense.
The government established 2 additional public colleges, the Kabaranet University College and the Nyandarua University College. More campuses of the Kenya Medical Training College were opened, the newest being the West Pokot campus. We also opened new teacher training colleges in northern Kenya. All these efforts are geared towards expanding students' choices in higher education and training options. Under the leadership of His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the Kenya Kwanza administration is committed to expanding training opportunities so that the youth of this country can acquire skills necessary for the realization of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Kubwatekana negetambukiro gia serikali kurigereria buya ekosi yo gokora oborokia bw'echisukuru chioboroso nigo abaorokigwa bange berikirie gochia gokora ekosi eyo.
The government has made great strides in the teacher education programs. Following the recommendations by the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform, the government revised the minimum entry requirements for primary teacher education training programs. This has driven up enrollment in all the 33 primary teacher training colleges in the country. This year, KUCCPS received applications from 20,786 individuals seeking to join diploma in teacher education programs against a capacity of 13,823. A total of 11,636 applicants secured placement, out of whom 10,800 have already been placed in diploma in primary teacher education programs with a capacity of 11,088.
Nonye nabo migosi nigatebire kubwatekana no kugania koreo ase chinse cheisiko kuira bateresa korwa imeyense bono ekosi eyu nero nigo yarikirie abaorokigwa abange.
With regard to KMTC, 52,725 qualified students submitted applications for placement against a capacity of 34,048. Diploma and certificate nursing programs with a cumulative capacity of 2,986 attracted the highest number of applicants at 27,000. This is an indication that the demand for nursing programs continues to grow. Other KMTC programs that are in high demand are clinical medicine and surgery, medical emergency technician, and community health, among others. In total, 25,034 students have been placed to KMTC programs. These include 6,750 students who scored C+ and above in the 2024 KCSE examinations.
Nigo boigo agokire egetambukiro kia abaorokigwa kwerikia ase kosi oboremi asatebire emyaka ya kare nigo abaorokigwa bangete kosi eyo korende okoboria nigo kwarurwe gochasa abaorokigwa gosoa ase omotandao na kwerikia erikonyora help ase boigo akwanire abaorokigwa bari barachikogania gokora monchoreri ya chikosi nigo barachikonyora ribaga rio gokora boigo ngoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa ase omochio Nairobi erieta riane Linet Nyambane.